Hell yes. Oh. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is me, Brandon, aka your mom's favorite pizza boy, aka the Workman's Pomp, aka I don't give a crap about AKAs, but I do them anyways. Today was a good day. I didn't have to use my AK, and I'm doing the continuing with the Shear Revival. I'm on one today, sorry. And we're going to be looking at the One Who Knocks, the oil-based medium hold pomade by Shear Revival. Now, what makes this stuff unique is that this was a pomade that Zach kind of put out in the very beginning. This is one of the OG original, like, from his line. And this is the current iteration, and let's just get right into it. So, looking at the jar, I mean, I've said this in every review, but man, like the shininess of the front with the specs, it all has similar designs and all of its pomades, but I mean, all of them look so sharp. I know it's kind of hard to tell here, but like, man, all of them look really good, and all of them are very similar. They have the ingredients on one side, made by the mindful, and how to use the product on the other side. The ingredients on this are beeswax, hydrogenated castor oil, microcrystalline wax, coconut oil, shea butter, castor seed oil, jojoba oil, fragrance, velveteer oil, cedarwood oil, and clary sage oil. Now, smelling this, you definitely, for this, you can definitely smell velveteer and cedar. It's not bad. I'm not really in love with the scent. I don't hate it, but I'm not in love with it. A lot of people say they like the original iteration of this pomade better, like the smell and like the way that it works. I mean, I wasn't too hot on the first smell, so I don't know. Looking at the inside, it's kind of that regular natural look to it. Scooping, there is, you do have to put in some pressure. There's a little bit of weight to this. This is kind of a waxier-ish type pomade, but breakdown is nice and smooth. You'll see it kind of breaks down to butter, which is nice. Application on it too is really nice, like the breakdown. Even though it does have beeswax as its first ingredient, it's really easy to apply, but it does start to firm up a little bit in your hair right off the bat. But you know, it's not too bad overall with application. I didn't really notice any sort of tugging and pulling, although sometimes you will get these beads in here, very rarely, and just break them down. Slicking it back, really no problem. You'll notice though that it's kind of a dry product once you get it in your hair. It does apply really easy, but it's kind of, it starts to feel a little bit drier. It's still slick, but you know, I tend to notice the dryness. That's not a bad thing. I just say that as a warning if people don't like drier products. There will be tension, not much. I mean, it's not bad. You can see I'm kind of like, I'm not yanking on my head like a heavy product. So, and there's gonna be decent slickability, but just don't be surprised if you're putting in your hair and you're like, oh, this feels a little dry. Styling, really easy too. You can get some good volume with this. One thing I really like about this product is that it kind of, just its nature, even though it is a little bit of a waxy, slickish type feel, it does leave a good amount of room to have stylability. And what I mean by that is that it is pretty easy to style, and it is pretty easy to get your hair to do what you want it to do with. All right, that does it. Pretty easy, pretty fast actually. I know I cut away because I don't want you to sit here and watch me style my hair forever, but this one was really quick. One thing I'll say about this product is that endurance wise, it's pretty standard medium endurance. So I mean, don't expect this to hold up all day, but it's a medium, so you're getting medium endurance. And for me, like my overall thoughts on this product, that's kind of what it hits for me. Like, it's medium. It's like, it's pretty average across the board. I don't really see anything that stands out like above and beyond out of this product, other than the fact that it has the Shear Revival name on it. Now, I'm not saying that's bad. This is a good, solid medium. It gives you what you want in a medium. For being a beeswax heavier product, it still has good slickability and good styleability in it. So, like, I can't badmouth it. This is one of those products though that when people say that they're like, oh, this is the best medium ever, like, I have to disagree on it. I think it's a really solid medium, and I think that if you're getting into the game of pomade, if you're just trying it out, like, you can't go wrong with this. And I love throwing this in the rotation. This is a great product. This is really good all around. But like I said, it doesn't really do anything to kind of set itself apart from all the other products that are coming out now, and the Pomade game is vicious in that. But as a part of the Shear Revival line, I think it's pretty solid. Rating this product, I would give it a 4.0 out of 5. This is a great pomade. I mean, it's a great, reliable, solid medium. It's not gonna like sit out there and like wow you, but it's not gonna disappoint. It's reliable and it's great, just all across the board. So let me know what you think about this, and let me know if you have any other different opinions, and hope you have a good one.
Yo, Gatorade me, bitch.